Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. Today I'm going to be using glitter and unicorn chrome to create some beautiful nails for my daughter's baby shower. But first I wanted to show you the tips that I use from Young Nail. Today I'm going to be using the almond ones, and I really like their brand because my nail beds are wide and crooked and they fan out, but these fit perfectly from sidewall to sidewall. So going from my thumb to my pinky, I wear a 0, a 4, a 2, a 3, and a 6. I also use Opre Nails pH Bonder, their primer, and their extension gel. And then for the base color, I use 031 from Raya's Nails. It is beautiful. It's the perfect nude. It goes on sheer. So you need at minimum 2 coats, but maybe 3 coats. And then I also use Daily Charm glitter. I don't know which one it is because it came in one of my subscription boxes, but it was the perfect color of pink, and it has hollow, it's chunky hex with small pieces of fine glitter. It is so beautiful. I love it. And then the sparkle top coat that I used was from Zule Nails. This No White top coat has a little gold shimmer to it, and it was so pretty. It was that little something something that just tied everything together. And the last thing that I showed was Young Nails Ultimate Finish top coat. Alright y'all, so let's get into these nails. These were beginner friendly, they were quick, easy, and they were so beautiful. I could not take my eyes off of them. So the first thing I did was I applied 2 layers of this beautiful nude color, curing in between each layer for 60 seconds. Next, I apply a very thin layer of the Opre extension gel to the nails that I wanted to add glitter to. On my right hand, I did a glitter ombre up, and then on my left hand, I did a glitter ombre down. So I hope you can see all of the hollow shift that is in this glitter. It is, it's breathtaking. I love glitter. And only about a couple of years ago did I just start loving glitter. But I'm obsessed with it now. Like, I can't do all of this fancy drawing, and even the bling placement is challenging for me, but playing in glitter, I can do this all day long. And I surprise myself sometimes by how beautiful my nails turn out just by adding glitter. So if you're a beginner like me and just want to jazz up your nails, just add some glitter and see how it turns out. So next I went in with this sparkle top coat, and it was just that little something something that tied all the nails in together. So next I went in with the Young Nails Ultimate Finish top coat, which is a no wipe top coat, so that I can apply this unicorn chrome from Daily Charm. And this was another game changer. It was beautiful. And then I used Young Nails Ultimate Finish to top coat all of the nails. Now the glitter nails, I had to go in with 2 coats, and I cured the top coats for 60 seconds 2 times. I followed the same process. I just did an ombre down on my left hand, and this is how they turned out. Aren't they gorgeous? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification because there are more videos to come. Thanks for watching.